If you're encountering the matchmaking error 2025 in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you disable the error and get back to playing. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your network or restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam or GOG and navigate to the game library. Right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files. Step 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily. These services can interfere with the game's connection to the matchmaking servers. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed to communicate through the network. Add the game to the exceptions list if necessary. Step 5. Restart the game and launcher. Close Baldur's Gate 3 and the game launcher completely. Restart both and try connecting to matchmaking again. This can often resolve temporary issues. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the matchmaking error 2025 and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.